Welcome. Great.
Hello.
So, you are one of the authors of the Climate Alert and also the Flora Focus topics, and you teach biology, chemistry, physics, and geography in Greece. How was it for you to cooperate with teachers from other countries in this project?
Well, I have to admit that at first I was a bit skeptical. It was my first international project and wasn't sure what to expect. I mean, different languages, different approaches, uh, even different rhythms of work. But very soon, those differences became our strengths. We learned from each other, supported one another, and gradually built something truly special. Over time, we didn't just collaborate, we bonded. It felt less like a professional network and more like a family. The friendships that formed during this project are among the most valuable outcomes for me. They remind me that when people come together with a shared purpose, like protecting nature, borders fade and hearts connect.
That's so beautiful to hear. Thank you. It's wonderful that even after your doubts at first, it all turned out so beautiful. Now, we would also like to know about the topics of the resources produced. So, what do you think? Why should we combine the topics nature and STEM?
Because nature needs solutions and STEM gives us the tools to find them. By combining these two fields, we don't just study the environment, we actively work to protect and restore it. Whether it's using sensors to monitor ecosystems, AI to predict environmental risks, or engineering to reduce pollution, STEM empowers us to turn awareness into action. But even more importantly, connecting nature and STEM helps students and teachers see science not just as theory, but as a way to care for the world around us. It makes learning meaningful and gives us hope for a more sustainable future.
Thank you very much for your insight. I wholeheartedly agree with what you said. It does give us hope for a sustainable future. So, yes, I agree very much. Thank you very much for this interview,
Thank
Anastasia.
you, Johanna, for caring for us all the way.